Here's the truth no one tells you. The man who walks away first is the man she never forgets. She can move on, she can date, she can even marry, but deep down, the memory of the man who had the strength to leave will haunt her forever. Why? Because nothing scars a woman more than realizing she wasn't the one who ended it. Why walking away hurts her more? When a man walks away first, it changes everything. She may act like she's fine. She may post pictures smiling, pretending she moved on. But deep inside, it bothers her. Why? Because it wasn't her choice. She lost control of the story. And for women, that loss of control is the deepest wound. She will replay the breakup in her mind 1,000 times, wondering what she could have done differently, wondering why he had the strength to leave while she didn't. And that question never leaves her. It eats at her even years later. You see, when you walk away first, you leave a mark that no new man can erase, because you showed her something most men never do, that you valued yourself more than you valued her approval. The power of choosing yourself. The moment you choose yourself over her, everything shifts. Most men beg, chase, or try to prove their worth, and that only makes a woman lose respect. But the man who walks away, the man who refuses to be treated as an option, instantly stands out. He shows her he doesn't need her approval to feel valuable. And that strength, that unshakable confidence, will haunt her more than any sweet words could. Because deep down she realizes she didn't lose just a man. She lost a man who truly knew his worth. And once a woman loses that kind of man, no replacement can ever compare. Her silent regret. She will never tell you the truth. Her pride won't allow it. She may act happy. She may even convince her friends that she moved on. But every time she sees a man like you, every time she remembers the way you treated her, she feels the sting of regret. And that regret is silent, but it's powerful. It's the kind that follows her at night, when no one is watching, when her guard is down. She'll never admit it to you, but she knows deep inside. Losing you was the biggest mistake of her life. Why she can't replace you? When a woman walks away, she may think she can easily find someone else. But what she often forgets is that every man is different, and not every man will treat her with the same patience, loyalty, or love you gave. Deep down, she knows the bond you had cannot be duplicated. She might replace your presence, but she can never replace your essence. At the end of the day, remember this. She can walk away, she can pretend she's happy, and she can even marry someone else. But she will never erase the impact you had on her life. You are unforgettable, and that is her burden to carry, not yours. So stand tall, keep your dignity, and never let anyone make you believe you're replaceable.